You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always.
Hi dolls, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yada. Yes, that's what it is, YAGA, and I know you guys are here to what? To stay. And to my 10 subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. You just had to. Welcome to my weekend vlog. I decided that I'm gonna vlog this weekend because I want to have a video for you guys next week. So you guys are gonna spend the weekend with me. I don't think I have much planned, but you will be part of whatever I do. Alright? It's currently Saturday, but I was vlogging yesterday, which was Friday. So I'll start off with those clips and then we'll come to today's clips, which is Saturday. And yeah, let me start off Saturday's video properly.
What it is that we do with interviews when we transcribe them, and what the critiques of transcriptions really are. Right? Everyone with me? Right. So, in a nutshell, today is Sean Fields and Zali Bonteli's arguments about what it is that oral history is, what is it that oral historians do, and more importantly, why it is important to not located or any number of factors. So when you're entering into a conversation with someone that you're interviewing, your first thing that you're going to be asking is, what is my position here? Right? And are there clear boundaries? Or is there a clear understanding of the purpose? Am I allowing them to speak, or am I stopping them and going, I'm sorry, I missed that, can you repeat yourself? When you're talking to someone, that is stuff that can disrupt not only what they're saying, because there is
Hi guys. So I don't update you guys, but we're at Canal Walk. I'm with Tato and our other friends. It's small. So we want to get something, to celebrate. So we were looking to get something to eat. There's some type of like chips and burger special that's happening here. So I'm just going to get foil so I can be able to do my client's soak off. Okay, I did say that I'm going to start off today's video properly. It's Saturday today. I have a client right now. I had to go get foil, guys, because she wants to do a soak off. They don't have proper tin foil, so I have to get like a foil. I'm so embarrassed, but it's gonna work. Okay. And then I went to go get a Red Bull because I haven't eaten yet, which is also not good, but I'm gonna need it because I'm low on energy today. I'm very, very much tired. So she's supposed to come here in a minute, actually. Like, she's supposed to be here already, but I'm the one who kind of delayed her. Not really. I said she must be at 10 past. But it's fine. It's fine. She should be here in a few. And then, I don't know what else I'm going to do today, but we'll just see. Hey y'all, I'm at my friends. I'm with my friends. I'm with my friends, and we're just watching soccer. We're gonna chill. I needed to get out of that place that we were at. So yeah, that's what's going on. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog properly. It's way later, y'all, and it's Lambi Day, so we came to come get something to eat. Disappointment, guys. Go value.
No, guys, I'm not ready. Skip it.
So guys, I'm back at Dre's and I forgot my student card in the Uber earlier on. So like when I was still going, cool. The driver was calling. shop, we end up picking up, and he's like, yeah, you did leave your student card, whatever. But I'm in town, and mind you, town was like 45 minutes away from where I was. Hey, he's like, yeah, just request for me from town, like request me from town, and I was just like, does he think it's gonna pick him up? He's in town. Anyway, so I'm sitting outside and I'm waiting for the MasterCard so I can get into my room, and then hopefully he brings my student card tomorrow. I'm so disappointed in myself. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday today. Happy Sunday. I'm going to church. I've actually been consistent with church and I'm so happy. Also, my voice is like this because I just woke up. So I don't think it's gonna get better. I don't think it's gonna get better. But I've been going to church and it's just so nice to be in the house of the Lord and be consistent in it. So I'm just trying my best to be as consistent as possible. Also, the sun. I'm about to go take a shower and then I'm gonna request to church. Yeah. I'm actually late for church, guys.
Don't fret. Just go and watch last week's.
No, that other place. The other place.
Guys, I don't know what this area is called. I forgot, but it's so peaceful. It's so quiet. It's so beautiful. We just came here for something, but wow. It's such a pretty day in Cape Town today. It's such a pretty day. It's a pity it's gonna be cold sometime in the middle of next week. I know for sure. Hey guys, little update. It's after 1. I think it's almost 1:30, and we're doing something. I can't vlog what I'm doing right now, so unfortunately I can't do that. But I'll update you guys when we do something else. We're supposed to go to the beach today, so I will see what's gonna happen. It's a very warm day. I've been mentioning this. Alright guys, I'm gonna change and then we're gonna head to the beach. I'm actually there's a lot going on in my mind, but guys, I don't even have a student card. Like, that's just also another issue that's just bothering me because it's also my Mambara week on top of that. So it's my Mambara week next week. I can't get a student card. You guys are going through the mental challenges that I go through with me. But anyway, it's nothing crazy. I'll see you guys when I'm all dressed up. We're going to the beach, guys. I just wanted to say that. We're going to the beach. I've been saying the weather's so nice. So we're going to the beach. Yeah. Here's my godson, JJ. Godson, yam. Yo, now I'm going to the paper. No, bring. No! JJ.
Or if it's like personalized, fully personalized, then the is it?
She's so fascinated. He's like, oh my god, I ain't never seen this. What's going on?
Wait.
Oh, Tisha, I want to take a picture.
Godson is at the beach today.
Yeah, actually, so I can eat. Oh.
Don't you say he's a ladies man? Come, let's go back. Let's go back. Come, come, come. Come, come. We're done for the day now.
A long day. Yeah, Georgie.
The stairs taking us back up.
What's going to come down?
I dare you.
Hi guys, I just want to come end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and comment. And if you did watch it till this point, leave a heart in the comments. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I remember when I was telling you guys that it's gonna be cold sometime, like when I was like the next week, sometime during the week is gonna be cold. It's the next week right now. Let me just show y'all. One thing about Cape Town weather, it's very disappointing. But anyway, it's gonna be hot again, or warmer towards the weekend. We'll see. Anyway, bye guys.